If you have been following me for a while, you will notice that I talk a lot about growing environments and managing growing conditions. Because I believe that once you fully understand your growing environment, you will know exactly what to do. This is my philosophy of gardening. It is all about growing environments and it's never about plants. This is the principle of gardening and this is the key to successful gardening. There are so many different tactics out there that you can learn and implement, but after all tactics will still revolve around this same principle. Like, why do you water like twice a day when you grow your plants in your balcony? And only water once a day when you grow your plant in a garden? Well, that's because the underlying principle is that the plant prefers to be in moist soil all the time. So you never let the soil dry out. So if you understand this principle and you understand what the plant needs, you will know exactly what to do in all different kinds of environment, and therefore your chance of success is a lot higher than everyone else. So instead of trying to spend many years of trial and error with 100 different tactics, 100 ways of watering your plant and making so many mistakes, you can actually cut short your learning curve if you understand the principle. Many gardening mistakes and failures do not appear immediately. It can take months or even years to realize that you are using the wrong tactic. You are actually wasting time. So you can avoid wasting all this time and accelerate your success very quickly by applying and understanding the principle of gardening. This is why some gardening gurus are so young, 18 years old, and they can grow a lot of different kind of plants. And they do it very easily, not because of their luck or not because they have green fingers or talent, but it is really because they are approach to gardening that they always seek to understand, gather information before trying to grow the plants. Of course, there will be times that we are wrong. However, we learn fast and we do not make as many amateur mistakes as others. Many people say that gardening experience is still essential. Yes, but don't you want to reduce your mistakes and waste lesser time by just doing some research? Spend a day or two trying to study and you can avoid years of mistakes. This is why focusing on the principle rather than trying various tactics is so important. This is so powerful and effective and can be applied across all plants and even your pets. It's just like trying to keep a polar bear in the desert. You do have to try in order to know, right, that it won't survive in the desert. Because you know that the polar bear needs a cold environment to survive and you won't want to keep it in the desert. So it's the same thing, understanding the plants first and then try to grow them well. So if you learn something new today, comment below. If you want to learn more about how I use this philosophy in my gardening, so make sure you click on the subscribe button below. And before you know it, you are going to be a very successful gardener.